This is Pat Iyer and Rebecca Corbett. This is Legal Nurse Podcast. Rebecca and I have been chatting about a topic that influences the care of many patients, probably all patients, if you think about it, Rebecca, of maintaining skin integrity. Rebecca is a certified wound care nurse whose passion is helping healthcare providers give the care that they need to the patients to help prevent skin breakdown. And we all know how skin breakdown can snowball out of control very quickly. Rebecca, in our podcast, what are some of the key points that we talked about?
We talked about the initial assessment being crucial for establishing whether there is a wound on admission or not, and having a history and physical that is detailed, understanding, having a good picture of the actual status of the patient and whether they have a prior history of wounds, what's going on, because that is going to formulate what is done for that patient. So having that initial assessment, we covered that. We covered what is important to look for in the medical record as a legal nurse consultant or, a paralegal or a lawyer reviewing a case regarding a wound. So what was the initial assessment? What was the care plan? What were the orders? And what were the orders for various labs, various interdisciplinary involvement, whether it's physical therapy, vascular, infectious disease, all of those things coming in as a factor, pharmacy, what products were ordered. Those are important in terms of the roadmap of understanding what happened for that care plan. Consistent charting, doing wound measurements on a consistent and thorough basis, regular reassessments. We covered that. That's something you're going to want to look for. And are the proper offloading surfaces being used? We covered nutrition. We covered being the Wound and Ostomy Incontinence Nursing Society being an excellent resource for people who want to read their journals and become a member and have access to current data. Very, very valuable.
As you can see, we went through quite a range of subjects in talking about this topic. I know you're going to want to watch Rebecca Corbett's podcast on the Legal Nurse Business YouTube channel, or on the audio channels that carry the show, or by going to our website, podcast.legalnursebusiness.com. Be sure to get Rebecca Corbett's show. And thanks for watching Legal Nurse Podcast.
Thank you, Pat.